Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we ended up pushing down again today. I was recommending shorts this morning in my morning video. Now, the most recent structure is right here. If it breaks above this structure, then I'm going to say this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C. And if it breaks above here, then it's probably going to make another three waves up for like a double three pattern, like another A, another B, and another C, which would be a pullback to the whole move down. Now, the thing is I actually think that it might not end up doing that because it looks like a possible one, two, three. I think there's a chance that it might make a little bit of a lower high and it might end up pushing down to this 50% Fibonacci, maybe like a wave four, maybe like a wave five. There is a chance that this is not a ABC, but this is actually a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three of a big move down on the weekly time frame, possibly the beginning of a big wave A of wave four. So definitely pay attention to your structure as always and trade accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here as in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.